it's not the same. Yes, what's going on YouTube? Back here with another quick video here for you. It's actually gonna be a pickup vlog today. I'm heading off to Yorkdale. I actually went there early yesterday morning to basically what they had like a thing where if you came in, you were one of the first 30 people in line, you could try on the new Nike Adapt BB 2.0. They're the self-lacing basketball sneakers. So I got there. I was one of the first 30 people in line yesterday morning, and you had the opportunity to essentially pay for and reserve your pair over at the House of Hoops at Yorkdale here in Toronto. So I went ahead and did that, and I grabbed the Nike Adapt BB 2.0. You had the option for them to deliver it to you, but I chose to go and pick it up. I wanted them today to get the pickup vlog, the unboxing, and the review out for you guys. So stay tuned. Well, I finally made it here to Yorkdale. I'm gonna run in, grab the shoes. The reason actually why I got these shoes, kind of sad really, is I really wanted the off-white Air Jordan 5s, and I completely struck out on those. What happened was in Toronto, they were doing a first come first serve, and they were gonna give out bracelets. The shoe was actually only releasing at Jumpman Toronto, which was in downtown Toronto, and I live out in the suburbs about 40 minutes away. So initially what I planned was I knew that they were going to give out the bracelets on the Friday before the release, but what ended up happening was we had like an extreme cold weather alert, and they ended up giving out the wristbands actually on Thursday night. So I completely missed out on that. I tried on the Canadian sneakers site, couldn't get them there either. So I figured, you know what, this is not a bad consolation prize. So yeah, it kind of didn't work out there, but you know, these are still really cool shoes. So I'm really excited to get these. So let's head inside and grab them. Went ahead, I secured the bag. So yeah, let's go home and take a look. All right, everybody, so we finally made it back to the house. So let's go ahead and take a look at this from the House of Hoops. As you obviously know, it's the Nike Adapt BB 2.0. So let's quickly take the box. So this is the box. It's this giant thing over here. It's kind of get like that over there. Right, I ended up actually getting a size 13. So I did try on the size 12. If you want to see the label, come on, focus. There you go. That's the label. So yeah, I ended up getting a size 13 because the size 12 was actually really tight. I would have actually gone for a size 12 and a half, but they didn't unfortunately have it. But let's take a look at the other sides. So you got on this side of the box. Again, let it focus there. So you got the two circles that signify, I guess, that the shoe charges. Nothing really on this side. The same two circles on this side, and then you got all the information on the bottom there that I don't think we really have to get into. Yeah. So that's basically it. So let's go ahead and open it. So I'm gonna actually be seeing this for the first time with you guys. Let me turn it around, and there they are. Well, not quite yet, but now there they are. Oh, you can't even see it yet. There you go. So look at that. That's the first shoe there. Let's go ahead and pull it out. So that's the shoe. Let me just quickly give it a full surround view of it. So this of course is the Nike Adapt BB 2.0, BB standing for basketball. It's got a 4-foot zoom unit over here, and as you guys know, this shoe self-laces. Let's see if it's any juice in there. So I'm gonna have to charge these, but let's quickly get through the rest of the box. So that's the left shoe. Here is the right shoe, again, just to give you a quick surround view. There you are. Alright. And then next, we have this little box over here. And got the Nike symbol on there. It's not focusing. Come on, focus. There you go. You can probably see it there. So you're gonna open this. So yeah, this is the brick and the cable for the charger. It's a USB to USB-C. So I might not even have to open this. I can probably just use my cell phone charger, to be honest. But I'll use this anyways, just in case. So that's that. And then, finally, taking this out over here. Put that over there. So you've got some documentation, I guess, on how to use this. Yeah, so that's basically that. That's the documentation. And then finally, the charging pad. And there you are. So let's go ahead and open this as well. So I know a lot of reviewers on YouTube actually had the Nike Adapt BB 1.0. So they didn't actually open this. I don't have the 1.0. I do have to open this. I will be using this right now to charge my shoes. I'm going to see if it charges my cell phone too. Yeah, let's quickly put this over here again as well. So as you can see now, the box is empty. That's that. Just quickly go over the shoes real quick. And I just dropped the box. That was my bad. So, as for the shoe here, aesthetically it's a pretty nice shoe. It's pretty simple. Got the black upper with the blue outsole, with the red here, this red patch on the outsole and signifying where the Zoom Air unit is. You've got the, on the insole there, you've got the, just says Nike Adapt. You know, you got the giant Nike swoosh. You got some nice, what is that, like nubuck material here with this ballistic mesh over here. And then there's this heel cup here, which, you know, I don't know how I feel about it yet. I'd have to get this thing on court, see how it feels on foot and all of that, but you know, it's all right, I guess. Another thing is I haven't driven in these shoes yet. Obviously, I just unboxed them in front of you. So I will get that out to you shortly, is what these shoes are like to drive in. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. I am going to do an on-feet and driving review of these shoes. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the shoes. These were an All-Star 2019 release. These shoes right over here, they were an All-Star 2019 release. So let me know if there's any other shoes that you ended up picking up for the 2019 All-Star game. I know they had the Monstars LeBron shoes. They also had the Toon Squad LeBrons. There's the Off-White 5s that I definitely tried to get but couldn't. Yeah, there was also the Red Cement 3s. There's quite a few shoes, so let me know in the comments down below if you were able to pick up any. Let me also know what you think of these shoes, which I think I already said, but anyways. Yeah, so what my channel is all about is sneaker cars and the sneakers you drive in. So what does that mean? So that basically means that I have a Scion FRS, so a lot of my content is based around that, and it's also based around what I think are really, really good driving shoes. And of course, you know, I do get like hyped up sneakers and all of that kind of stuff too. So it's not necessarily only sneakers to drive in. But yeah, you know, if you definitely think you would enjoy some content like that, give it a giant thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Stay tuned. I am going to be doing a video, putting out a video shortly. 2 videos actually, real shortly. They're already recorded. One is my All-Star Weekend pickups, and another one is I recently went to the Toronto Auto Show. For many of you who don't know, I actually recently became a father, so as a result, I am going to start needing a bigger car. So I did go to the Toronto Auto Show, and I took a look at several different cars that I might be interested in buying as my next car. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Again, like I said, you know, give me a giant thumbs up, subscribe down below for the content to come. And thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the month of February.